Kids Toddler Toys, engaging fun for ages 1 to 3, best picks and playtime delights. And this is a pre-education toys for boys age 1 to 3 on the magnetic doodle board, children's visuals and hands-on ability, color recognition ability, and creativity improves through freely drawing and playing games. More than only creating art, use the magnetic drawing board to learn letters, words, and number. And they have sturdy drawing table or doodle board, and the screw-on design and high-quality legs makes the drawing board have a strong bearing capacity up to a 120 lbs, and no need to worry about shaking or breaking. The four legs of the table are detachable and can be changed in 3 ways. Let babies draw more freely and comfortably, and they are in order and easy to use. Instead of spending a lot of paper, crayons, and pencils, a magnetic drawing board is a clean and eco-friendly way to satisfy your child's drawing. The eraser knob glides easily and smoothly for kids, erases in a second for a clean drawing area for new drawings, and they have safety and environment friendly. The magnetic drawing board is made of high quality durable ABS. It is a non-toxic, safe, BBA free, and has no choking small parts. The doodle board has full sealed on the back, and the corners are rounded to avoid scratching children. The paintbrush is in the middle, connected to the board with a rope, so as in not be swallowed or lost by mistake. It is also friendly to left-handed children. If you want to know more about this product, you can find it in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.